Hello everyone and welcome to Lesson 6. This chapter is all about intervals. We have done a little bit of interval identification already, but we are about to explore the topic even more. Previously, we just looked at the space between two notes on the staff. Now we are going to identify what is called the quality of the interval, or basically how it sounds to our ears. The first part of this chapter is going to be identifying the different quality by counting the half steps between the two notes. I know there are a lot of different intervals to practice in this chapter, but as I am a broken record, the more practice, the easier and faster it will come. The next section of this chapter breaks down the major scale and the intervals that fall within each scale degree. So in the workbook, you will be identifying the key and the quality of those intervals. So I'm sorry, those key signatures will never go away. Now there is a lot of new terminology in this chapter. All of the different qualities of intervals have different names, so make sure you read them carefully and the difference between them in terms of the half-step relationship and also how they sound. The next part of this lesson is your online drill. For this drill, you'll need to do quite a bit of customization. So go to the website and do either treble or bass clef. I also recommend selecting common accidentals before you start. Additionally, make sure major, minor, diminished, and augmented are all selected. Screenshot your best score and submit. The last part of this lesson is another discussion board question. This is one on the use of music notation software. In the last chapter, you were asked to compose one short composition. Now think of pieces for full orchestra, ones that are like half an hour to an hour long. How long do you think that would take to write down by hand? Now compare that to how long it took you to write down your short composition. So what has this done to music now that we have this wonderful software at our fingertips? Is it a blessing? Is it a curse? What are your thoughts? Compare that to handwritten documents versus typing. I'm really excited to read your thoughts on this topic. It can be controversial in a way. So have fun this week as usual, and if anything comes up, please contact me. And also just remember there's a lot of new terminology here, so please be patient and careful and diligent.